What's the biggest secrets behind the secrets? You know what I'm talking about. The secret behind law of attraction, manifestation. It's to detach from the outcome. And what is that? The art or the mastery of not wanting it. When you don't want it, you will get it. No, it's not like that. You cannot think, I don't want anything. I won't do anything. Doing and wanting needs to be separated. Everything in manifestation is the same. I cannot say, I want to manifest, I detach from the outcome, I forget, I said it and I forget it. But how can I forget what I said? Do I not do anything about it? No, you do everything about it. Your actions should be intense. Which is the secret. Because usually your actions are not intense if you don't want anything. Let's look at the simple equation. Emotions equals energy in motion. What does that mean? The more emotional you are about something, the more motion is, the more action you take. When you really desire something, you take more action. When you desire something less, you do less. This is kind of like the opposite law now. The secret behind the secret is to flip it around. The less I want it, the more I do. That's the answer. Do more. Expect less. Want less. Need less. No, I don't want money. I got money. I don't want love. I got love. Do I work for money? Oh, seemingly, to the outside world, it seems like I'm working all the time. But I don't work for money. But I do all the actions that make money every day. Do I work for love? I don't work for love. But the actions I take are the right actions that attract love, that receive love. It's a very fine line. And it takes time to understand, it takes time to practice. But when we understand where that fine line is, through years of practice, through years of mastery, then the secret will reveal itself bit by bit, part by part, step by step. It will reveal itself. And once you get it, you get the biggest aha. And you ask yourself, how did I get it so wrong for all these years? Because it's simple. The simple thing you need to know at this stage is, you don't get what you want. Don't want it. Work for it, but don't feel like you're working for it. Become it. You are it. It's effortless. It It will all come to you, all in divine timing.